morning, everyone. Welcome to Coffee and Chalk. Thank you for joining me today. If you are joining me live, please say hello. If you are watching the replay, please type replay. I am so excited to be back on here. I took kind of a break from Coffee and Chalk over the weekend, so now back in business. So let me just go ahead and take a minute to share this video. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm gonna start doing a weekly giveaway. So the stipulations are, so I go live every day of the week. So I want you guys to share my videos, okay? So whoever has the most shares, actually, it's not whoever has the most shares. I'm gonna take all the names, like you get your name in the drawing every time you share a video. Man, I do not know how to talk this morning. But yeah, so every time you share a video, your name gets dropped in a hat. And then at the end of the week, or actually, maybe the following Monday. Yeah. So next Monday, I will go live and do the drawing, and you guys will see that. So, but yeah. So I hope I explained that correctly. So I want you guys to please share my video, and every time you share my video this week, your name's gonna get dropped into a drawing for a kit, a board, size A transfer, and some paste. Okay, so you guys are gonna get a little kit, whoever wins. So every time you share a video, that's your name dropped in the hat. And then at the end of the week or beginning of the next week, I'll do the drawing for everyone from the previous week. I hope that makes sense, because I cannot speak this morning. I don't know why. Hi, Liz. How are you this morning? I am just quickly sharing this video to my VIP group. If you do not know what my VIP group is, you need to comment VIP below, because you need to be in that group. And the reason being is because on my VIP page, that's where I do all of my, have all my specials, deals, giveaways, sales. That's where I have all that stuff is in there. That's the only way that you can get that. So if you're not in my VIP group, comment below. Okay, one more. Sorry. Oh, nice. Yeah, my significant other has to go to work, so he can't go get me coffee, but that would be nice. Okay, so this morning we are going to make a cute laundry sign for your laundry room, because just because your laundry room is closed and you know, guests don't see it or anything like that doesn't mean it can't be cute, right? I'm just sharing this really quick. Well, that's the plan. Like, I do want to. I mean, I bought him a gala ticket, so I hope, because those are non-refundable. Okay, guys. Okay, let's get to it. Any of the bathroom transfers. Aw, sad. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna, oops, let me set this up so that you guys can see me. And now the baby's crying. Okay. Give me 1 second. No. There we go. Okay, guys. Okay, so like I said, are you talking? Yeah? Are you talking? She's just talking right now. She's fidgeting and fussing and whatnot. Okay, so I want to show you a really cute laundry sign that we're going to make. We're going to put laundry open 24/7, wash, dry, fold, repeat. So this is a really quick sign that we can make. And it's like gonna be really cute. It's on this enamel. I got like this enamel tin sign. Yay, yay, yay. She's just fussing. She's okay. You're okay. She's just talking. You're okay. Yeah, I think she's tired. But, yeah? Yeah, are you chatting? Okay, so the reason why I'm fuzzing this, this is a fuzzing cloth, and the reason why I'm doing this is because this is a very slick, smooth surface, and I don't want my transfer to stick on it like so hard that I can't get it off. So I fuzz it a little bit to take off some of the stickiness so that so it's not so sticky. Now, again, don't worry about that having anything to do with these being reusable, because once you wash it, the water reactivates the glue on the back of these transfers and allows it to continue to be sticky for your next project. Okay. So, we are going to do plain oh, now she's actually crying, so hold on a second. Hey, baby. Hey, pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. Hopefully she'll be okay for a little bit longer. Maybe not. So I need to stir this up. There we go. It's all nice and stirred. And then I'm going to take my squeegee and I'm just going to get some black chalk paint on here, or chalk paste, if you will, and put it on my transfer. Okay, baby. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I might have to sing. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. She likes that. That didn't last long. The awesome thing is you see that I messed up. I can just clean that right off. No big deal. And even if it was a chalkboard or a wood board or anything like that, you can still wash it off when it is if you mess up or anything like that. So, okay, so we scraped off all of our excess, and now we are going to peel and reveal. How cute is that? It is so cute. So I'm excited to put the next piece on. But this is a cute little sign that you can just put in your laundry room. and, you know, make your laundry room cute. Just because no one goes in there and you have to do laundry doesn't mean it can't be cute, right? I would love it to be cute. So, yeah. Unfortunately for me, though, my laundry room is in my basement. So, it's not really like a laundry room. It's just like the washer and dryer is down here. But this is a really quick project. I just have this, these both came on a transfer with a couple other pieces, but I'm just using these two pieces. And all you do is lay it down like so. Make sure, I always put my finger around the silkscreen part because I want to make sure the edges are sealed. So, because the edges is most important so that you get clean lines. See, there was a little bubble there, and now I fixed it. Yeah, so, but this is super easy. It's chalk paste, and it goes on real simple, just like this. You just put some on your squeegee, and you run it over your transfer like so, and then you just scrape it across like this so it covers the whole thing, and then you just scrape off any excess paint because you want it to be just a thin coat, and you can wipe that back into your jar so you're saving your chalk essentially, which is awesome. So you want to make sure you cover the whole silk screen. I want to make sure all of my little parts and pieces are covered. And yeah, this stuff washes off if I want to make a new sign. It'll dry and it won't come off. Just, it has to be like a wet towel to get it to come off. So don't worry, it's not going to come off like if you bump into it or something like that. It's not like chalk you use on a chalkboard. It's like a paste, and we have, there we go. Ready for the peel and reveal? I got too much black ink or chalk on me. Yeah, this is so cute. So yeah, look at this. I gotta clean my hands. Yeah, I'm like the messiest person. Like, this stuff is not meant to be messy, and somehow I manage to make it messy every time. But yeah, look at this cute sign. I don't want to touch it because I don't, because I have black all over my, see it? I am a mess. Yeah, if you have any like mess ups or anything, you can literally just wet towel, or I use these wet wipes, the you know, the wipes, and it just wipes right off. And that works the same way on other surfaces as well, not just sleek surfaces like this. But yeah, so look at this cute sign that we just made. So cute to hang in the laundry room. Love it. I love how it turned out. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you how you can do a quick and easy project. I didn't use like a bunch of colors or a bunch of transfers or layering or anything like that. Just a quick and easy project. Super fun, and just makes a really cute sign for something that you can hang in your house. So I really like it, and I love this stuff. If you have any questions about any of the products that I'm using, the chalk paste or the transfers or anything like that, please reach out to me and ask questions, comment on here and ask questions, because that's why I'm here, is to answer the questions for you guys. And that's why I go live every morning, to show you guys how this stuff works, because it's amazing and it's awesome. And so yeah, so I really appreciate you watching. Please share my video. Like I said, I'm going to do a drawing at the end of every week. You get your name in the drawing for every share that you do. So every time you share one of my videos, your name gets dropped in a hat, and then there will be a drawing at the end. And whoever wins is going to win a little pack with a board, a transfer, and some chalk paste so that you can make a project. So you can make one of these cute signs. Okay, guys. Well, I really appreciate you joining me live. She's talking. How are you talking? She's smiling. She wants to be on the video, I think. But anyhow, thank you guys for joining me today. Look at this great, cute little sign that we just made. I appreciate it. Hope to see you guys again tomorrow. And thanks for watching. Cheers.